I want a smoothie. You want one? Hey guys, welcome back to the Henderson kitchen. So I love smoothies. Well, I already created one smoothie that you'll see on my channel. Check it out up here if you want to. So I just finished my workout and I have a great post-workout smoothie that is amazing in my eyes and in my taste buds. So I wanted to share it with you guys. So I have all of my ingredients already ready for you. Of course, I have my protein. I'm still doing the plant-based lifestyle. Some oats, some stevia, I have some flaxseed, I have cinnamon because it's good for you. Of course, I got banana, peanut butter, lime juice, avocado. And lastly, I'm gonna add a couple strawberries. Let me show you how I get it done. Well, y'all, I have my smoothie with me. I finally got it done. It's just perfect. Join in with me. Get you a smoothie. Now I can get back to work and not be so hungry. Losing weight has been a tough thing for me, but I'm determined to stay the course. Don't give up. Don't give up on your desire. Don't give up on your dream. It's going to come to pass. You just gotta stay with it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate the support. Lastly, before I go, give someone a hug. Tell someone you love them. Tell them how much you care, because you never know. That might be the only time they hear it. And I love you guys, and I thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace. Let me get back to work. Focus, Adam.